Hello guys, today I'll tell you about another malicious website that is the example of online scam attacking Mac computers. The website is this, it's called apple.com-repair.live. We have seen some similar sites which were related to some adware in Mac computers. However, this one is a brand new scam. It tells that your Mac is infected and some virus is found supposedly in your Mac. And the pop-up is actually more particular in its scam. It says that the virus is called E.3456 worm OS X on your Mac. So it also says that you need to press OK to begin the repair process. After we press OK, the pop-up says that we click on Scan Now button. And basically it's the continuation of an old story of how some cyber frauds try to force you into downloading potentially unwanted software into your Mac. There were times when Windows computers were more under the attack. Now Mac computers are under the attack as well. So basically, after you click on this remove virus button, you'll be suggested to download this program called Mac Tweak Pro. And basically this program is not good at all in terms of fixing your Mac problems or removing malware or adware. So you need not to trust these scary alerts. What I recommend you to do is to perform a thorough checkup of your system using the program called Combo Cleaner. The website is called combocleaner.com. This is where you may download the application officially. And basically you install the program after downloading it here, and in my case the program was already installed. So here is how it looks like, and after you start the program, it might be that it will first update its antivirus database, and then immediately click on scan with Combo Cleaner. So the program will begin scanning your computer, your Mac, for presence of viruses, and it might be that some malicious items will be found right away. Combo Cleaner is not just the cleaner, it's also the antivirus for Mac, which may prevent malware from entering your Mac environment. So consider this program. I'm sure it will help you to boost up the performance of your system and to protect your Mac computer from possible malware intrusion attempts.